Hi Techies, welcome to our YouTube channel Local Techies. You are watching Python programming by Amrut Belala. Today we will be discussing about the high level agenda of our course Python programming and end this session with the installation of Python. I have divided the entire course into three levels: beginner, intermediate and advanced for easy and better understanding of Python. In the beginner level, we will look into the concepts such as how to download and install Python and some of the Python basics, in which we will cover about Python identifiers and various data types available in Python, reserved words, operators and escape characters, and at last we will cover comments in Python as a part of better coding practice. And in intermediate level, we will discuss about how to use predefined functions that come with Python and also how to write user-defined functions in Python. And as a next step, we will look into various data structures like list, tuple, dictionaries and set that are available in Python. After that, we will look into various packages that are most popular in the field of ML and data science, such as NumPy for numerical analysis, Pandas for data analysis and Matplotlib for data visualization, and we will be concluding this with regular expressions. And in advanced level, we will discuss about object-oriented programming, which covers about classes, objects and constructors. And to handle the errors and exceptions, we will learn about exception handling, and to handle file-related exceptions, we will discuss about file handling. And at last, we will also look into how NLP is done using NLTK. Since learning basics and syntax alone does not help to become a very good programmer, we have also planned to provide various exercises and quizzes on this topic, which can help you guys to improve your technical understanding of concepts. And now let's see how to download and install Python on your PC. The first thing you have to do is to open up a browser and head to python.org. On this page, click on Downloads, and you can see that the web page is automatically detecting the current operating system installed on your PC. And here you can see the latest version of Python at the time of recording is 3.8.3. And all this stuff that you are going to learn in this course will apply to the latest version of Python. So let's go ahead and download Python. If you are using a Mac, then you can download Python for Mac, and if you are using Linux, you can download Python for Linux. Since I have installed Windows on my system, I am going to download Python for Windows. Now you can see here that Python installer has been downloaded. Double click the download executable file to run it. If you are on the Windows, you can see the checkbox here which tells to add Python 3 to path. Make sure you tick this box or in order to run Python anywhere on the PC. Then click Install Now option to install Python to your local machine. It takes some time based on your system configuration. Let's wait. Alright, we have installed Python on our PC. And now how to verify that? Head to Start and type Python. You can see here Python 3.8 setup has been installed. Either you can go with this or you already get an IDE called idle with Python. You can use this to write and execute your code. For better programming practice, I will be using Anaconda, one of the famous Python distributions. And now for downloading Anaconda, visit this site anaconda.org and click on Download Anaconda option and scroll down until you find this screen and select the installer as per the OS you have installed in your system. Since I have installed Windows, I proceed by clicking Anaconda for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instruction prompted on the dialog box. Click Next and accept the service level agreement and select All Users option and click Next and press OK for prompted dialog box and this is the default location where Anaconda 3 is installed. And now click this checkbox, add Anaconda 3 to path environment variable. You can see here instead open Anaconda 3 with Windows Start menu and select Anaconda 64-bit. And what I would suggest is, if you have already installed Python from any other sources like Anaconda or python.org previously, then please uncheck this checkbox and click on install and wait until the installation is completed. Alright, we have successfully installed Anaconda on our PC. Click on next and click on finish option. Thanks for watching this video. For any queries, comment below. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.